Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Dream League Soccer 2026 game not launching, a won't launch issue or launching fail problem on Android phones. So let's follow the fixes very carefully. So the first fix is to simply restart your Android device. So just restart your Android device, and once your device restart, go ahead and launch the game and check. Next solution is to check for Dream League Soccer 2026 app update. So open Play Store, tap on search for Dream League Soccer 2026 and then tap on it. And if you find any updates available for this app, then update it, then go back, launch the game and check. Next fix is to check internet connection. So please check and make sure that your internet is connected properly. Now if you're connected to Wi-Fi, then switch to mobile data and then check. And if you're connected to mobile data, then switch to Wi-Fi and then launch the game and check. Now if possible, then you can also try to connect to different Wi-Fi network or mobile data network to your hotspot and then check Dream League Soccer 2026 app is working or not. Next fix is to force stop or force close Dream League Soccer 2026 app. So tap and hold the app icon, then click on app info, then click on force stop and confirm it, then go back, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then you have to clear the Dream League Soccer 2026 app cache. So again tap and hold the app icon, then click on app info, then tap on storage, then tap on storage usage, then tap on clear cache and confirm it. Go back, launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then you have to clear the data for this app. So again tap and hold the app icon, then click on app info, go to storage and then click on clear data. Now please take a note over here. Clearing the app data will delete app data including files and settings permanently from this device. So if you agree, only then tap on delete to confirm it, then go back, launch the game and check. Next solution is to allow the background activity for this app. So again tap and hold DLS26 app icon, then tap on app info, then go to the battery usage and select the first option, that is allow background activity. Again click on allow to confirm, go back, launch the game and check. Next fix is to update your device. So open settings, scroll down, click on system and update, click on software update, and if there are any updates available for your device, then update it and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Next solution is to connect to VPN. So open Play Store, tap on search for VPN and search for it, and then you can install any VPN of your choice from the Play Store such as ExpressVPN, Turbo VPN, Proton VPN, Ninja VPN, Brave VPN, NordVPN. So you can install any VPN of your choice from the Play Store, then launch the VPN app and then connect to a different location than your current location, and then you can go ahead, launch the Dream League Soccer 2026 app and check if your problem is solved or not. Now if you are already connected to VPN, then disconnect it and then check. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then the last solution is to uninstall and reinstall Dream League Soccer 2026 app. So tap and hold the DLS26 app icon, then click on uninstall and then again click on uninstall to confirm it. Then just restart your device, and once your device restart, open Play Store, tap on search for Dream League Soccer 2026 and tap on it and then click on install button to reinstall it. And once this Dream League Soccer 2026 app get reinstalled, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve Dream League Soccer 2026 game not launching or won't launch issue or launching failed problem on Android phones. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.